This is my grandson's supercar, and today I'm scrapping it. They say the first year of ownership of a supercar is the most expensive year. And my grandson found that out when he was peeling around the yard and he hit this garden gnome and wrote this thing off. Insurance said, no way, we're not fixing this. That's what happens when you have too many juice boxes. Don't drink and drive. So let's get down to it and see if there's any copper in this beautiful machine. And mind you, I want you guys to keep in mind, these things are worth 400 bucks. What? Someone stole the catalytic converters out of this. Meth heads. Look at that. That wire is thinner than a hairline. Well, there's a motor in there. Wrong tool, right job. Steering wheel, ooh, that might come in handy. Momentary switch. That is probably going to be more handy than you would think. That was for the gas pedal. Nice nylon lock nut. I know, I'm getting excited over stupid stuff, but I like all the hardware for my automotive projects on my other channel, More Nice Junk. Make sure you check that out. That's what funds all my hot rod builds and stuff. Okay, what's holding this puppy together? More screws over here, of course. What's holding you up? Might have to look at that from the top side. So I just thought I'd show you the interior. And she was quite the high rig. She had the high speed and the low speed, 2-speed transmission, forward and back, the push button starter. Look at even the USB. I bet you there's gold in there. Well, the only way we're gonna find out is tear it apart. My grandson asked if we could fix this. And I said, sometimes you're a scrapper, sometimes you're a driver. Today you're a supplier. Look at that. Goodness. Oh my. Oh, that's why the wheels wouldn't come out. Ooh, charging port over there. Okay. I think that's some kind of a power supply. Come on, let go. Couple batteries. Let's see, what are they? Sealed lead acid. Well, man, oh man. That's gotta be worth the price of admission right there. Don't be dropping the drill. Wow, wonder what that is. Well, we'll dig into that in a bit. We're just going to finish getting rid of this carcass. Nice little charging port. Probably not a lot in there, eh, guys? What do you think? Come on, okay, well, fine, we'll pull the dash right out of her. One instrument cluster, a couple more screws. Let's take a look. Well, she's completely stripped out. Just the plastic tub. that's a nice piece of rod. Might be able to use that for something. Okay, a couple more screws. Those German engineers are pretty ingenious, eh? They managed to hide 3 cents worth of steel in 400 pounds of plastic. Let's take a look inside of this guy. Maybe we'll find a whole bunch of gold. Plastic. Well, there's some IC chips. And that's about it. Oh, the relays. But yeah, not a lot there. Not surprised. Anybody know what this is? I think it might have been a speaker of some kind. There's holes in there, but bleep bloop that in the comments if you know what this guy here is. Okay, more screws. I guess it's not a speaker because that's over here. There's a little bit of copper in here, not a lot, not enough to tear apart. That was so satisfying. There's a toggle switch. High speed, low speed. So, here we got it. The results, amazing. So, let's weigh her up. Zero that out. Small motors. We got 9.3 ounces of small motors. And yeah, I know this is going to weigh more than what it should because of the dish. We got 3 pounds, 4.2 ounces of shred. Amazing. Amazing. I'm going to zero that out. We've got 3.4 ounces of low-grade wire. Let's see. We've got 1.7 ounces of low-grade circuit board and 2 pounds, 13.6 ounces of battery. The verdict. If you see one of these on the curb, leave it there. If you happen to have a drill with you, pull the battery out. The rest of it really ain't worth it. I guess there's enough here to buy my grandson one single chicken nugget. I did get some parts, like some switches. I'm going to be saving these connectors, electrical connectors, because they come in handy if you want to plug wires together. I just have to repin them. I got these electrical connectors, which will come in handy if I want to put 2 wires together, just have to repin it. We got this steering wheel, which is going to come in handy for a project I've got planned. I plan on hot rodding a little red wagon, so I'd like to put like a lawnmower engine or a snowblower engine on it and then let the grandson have some real fun. Hope you enjoyed this episode, Nice Junk. I sure did. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and that was some nice junk.